Computer trespass in Washington State. Do you wonder what that is? Do you wonder what it means? What happens if someone else gets onto your computer? What happens if you accidentally access a database that you shouldn't? So if you're charged with computer trespass, you're just interested in what the laws are in Washington State about computer trespass, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to cover three things. What are the two types of computer trespass that exist in Washington State? Number two, what are some situations where that can happen? And finally, number three, what do we do about it if that's the situation? And believe me, this is not a very common thing that happens, but you still might find it interesting. So my name is Lance Fryrear. I'm a defense attorney in Lynnwood, Washington, and we've been defending people charged with crimes for more than 20 years. And in trying to come up with topics for videos, I've made a lot of them. I looked back through cases we've defended, and we've defended a case on computer trespass. So if you find this video useful, please like, please subscribe. It helps me get this information out to more people. So jumping right into it, number one, what are the two types of computer trespass? What are the laws in general? So I'm not going to go into all the details. I'll put a link in the description. But basically, if you gain unauthorized access to another person's computer or some type of a database or something, you're hacking into something. So you can either be on someone's computer or, in our opinion, hacking into something. That can be the crime of computer trespass. There's first degree computer trespass. And in this state, first degree is always worse than second degree or third degree. That's how it works in this state. There's first degree, which is a Class C felony. And then there's second degree, which is a gross misdemeanor. To be first degree, think about it, it has to be if you get on someone's computer with the intent to commit another crime, like you're trying to, get credit card numbers, or, we would say even maybe do criminal impersonation. Maybe you're impersonating them on Facebook. That could be criminal trespass in the first degree, which is a Class C felony and carries 5 years in jail maximum. It can also be criminal trespass first degree if you're accessing a government computer without authorization. Criminal trespass in the second degree is any other time where you access a computer that you're not authorized to be on. That could be in person, or it could be hacking into someone's computer. I'm not advanced to do that, but some people are that advanced to be able to do that. And for a gross misdemeanor, the maximum penalty is 1 year in jail and a $5,000 fine. So moving on to number two, what are some situations? Well, situations that can come up would be you get onto your roommate's computer without access. You have some malicious intent. You're looking up something, you're getting into their private information, and they catch you and they call the police. We've seen that case before. And so if you got onto that other person's computer and the police find out about it, believe it or not, they can charge you with the crime of computer trespass. Other situations that I personally haven't seen but can happen would be, hacking into another computer system. And if you're doing that with an evil intent to commit another crime, financial fraud, maybe posting pictures that are revealing. So there's laws against that. That can be a felony, a criminal trespass in the first degree. If you just hacked in without the, wanting to commit another crime, that would be second degree. So these things aren't very often charged. At least I haven't run across them often, but they do exist. And so this is what can happen if you get on somebody's computer system without their permission. So number three, and thanks for staying to the end, what are some ways we could defend this? Well, one of the biggest ways to defend it is identity. I mean, it's tough to prove who was on a keyboard, right? Many internet crimes can be defended by many people having access to the Wi-Fi for the area, where the computer was accessed. And that's one way to defend, because again, the prosecution has to prove who did it. Another possible defense is mistake. I didn't mean to get onto this system that I ended up on. That's what happened. It was a mistake. It was an innocent mistake. It shouldn't have happened. And finally, what we can also point out is, that you were just curious. Why it's still, you might have had unauthorized access. You had no ill will. and therefore we shouldn't have, such terrible consequences for this, and that you're not going to do it again. Those are 3 ways we might defend this. So I hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, please subscribe. It gets our information out there. And if you happen to run into this situation, give us a call. We'll do what we can to help. We'll talk to you confidentially, and we'll be there for you. Thank you.